So I am doing a opening of little stuff. It's a whole bunch of little stuff. And a whole bunch of toys. Today I'm going to be opening diapers and toys. And not tomorrow, but the next day, because tomorrow's Sunday, I will be opening a whole bunch of little accessories and outfits. And I mean a whole bunch. It's a lot. So I'm pretty excited. But for today, we've got, oh wow, these are heavy. How many are in here? 15. Wow. This is crinkles. I have them in the large size. 15 diapers are in here. 15. That is awesome because we usually get 10. That's why it's a little heavier. Wow. That is amazing. Hopefully they're extra padded too. I like extra padding. Does it say anything? No. Not really. But yeah, they're Crinkles Fairy Tale. So we like this. Especially because it comes with 15. Alright. Now we're going to open this box. Whoever take this one like, holy hell. Did you guys see my address? Oh, yes, you do. Oh, no. You know. Okay, we'll just leave it like this. So, it's my Barn Little People set. Oh, it just has lights and it has a sound. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's got eggs in the back. Oh, they got little chicks in them. Oh, this is so cool. I really like this. Okay, bear with me. I got one of my packages today. A little kink bouquet. It came in a Tinkerbell bag. I love Tinkerbell. Okay. So, first off, we got, is this don't tell me what it is, but I think this is a changing thing. And if so, that's amazing because I needed one. I really needed one. I was about to buy one. Oh, it's got Vampirina on it. Vampirina and the Octonauts and Sophia. Oh, it's a blanket. It's a little blanket with the little... Oh my god, it's got Vampirina. It's got Pup Pals. It's got PJ Masks. It's got Lion King. It's got Fancy Nancy. It's got the Octonauts, Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Oh, wow. It's got so many of them on here. Oh, it's got Mickey Mouse in them, too. Doc McStuffins. Oh, my God. I absolutely love this. This is perfect. Oh, my God. It's got Sophia the First and everything. This is perfect. So, I got this bottle with the baby nipple, so I won't be using it. Set that to the side. Is this a teeter? It's a teether. Oh my god. It's a little cat. Look at that. That is just cute. He sent me a regular passy. It's just yellow. They really didn't send a lot. And a passy clip. This is all worth that then. I'm sad to see what I got in my other one. Honestly, I thought this would be a little more stuff, but it's not. And like one of them I can't even use. So I'd give this probably, and I just got a regular passy, nothing special really other than the changing thing and the blanket. That's all I really liked. I didn't really need this or this. So yeah, this is cute, but you know, I don't know if it's like, you know, gonna be a favorite. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Hopefully I got more in my other package coming hopefully this week so I can upload this video for you guys. We got candy though. We got gummy worms, Halloween ones. So that's nice. Oh, they sent stickers. Mario sticker. And then a 5-cent cola sticker. And another sticker. Yeah, so I gotta throw this out. I already have one of these, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Maybe I'll put that in the giveaway. And put that in the giveaway. So I'm doing a giveaway sometime this month because of all my subscribers I have. Yeah. US only though. I can't ship out of state or out of the, like, to the UK or anything like that unless they pay for the shipping. Because I can't pay out of the US shipping. I just can't. It's too much. I wish I could, but I can't afford it. But yeah. I might put this in there too. Probably. Alright, well, that was it for this package. We'll see what I get in the next one. I'm just looking to see what I got in here. I got my little pet shops. Oh, I'm so excited. It's got fries, it's got a burger, and it's got popcorn and sushi and a couch. I am so, and the cats are just so cute. Oh, and it's got a little computer. If you can't see right there, that's a little computer. Sushi, burger, popcorn, and fries. I love that little set. I've been actually wanting this set for a real long while, so I'm pretty happy I got it. Okay, so I just got this and opened the box. It's the Barbie little dream house for little people. It's got the little people right here, and then it's the big Barbie dream house. I will be opening this on camera with you guys and setting it up with you guys another day because I can't do that right now. I just wanted to show you guys that I got the dream house. Yay! I'm so super excited for this. I just want to open it now though, but like I can't because I have to go do stuff. Sad baby. Sorry I look like this. I just woke up, so I probably look a little crazy. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys today, and to show you that I got it. But yeah, we will be opening it up a different day together, so stay tuned for that. Alright. Okay, so this just arrived. It's my Little Monsters Easy Grip bottle. We're gonna open it right now. Oh, look at that. It's got the little Monsters Gaming on it. And then it's got this type of nipple. I'm hoping this type of nipple allows you to grab more out the bottle, because I like to chug. So I'm hoping, I'm praying. So we'll see how that works, and I'll let you guys know. Guys, I am back with another opening. Let me grab my scissors. This is an opening from Little Pink Bouquet. Let's just get into it. It better be closed like it said. I was about to say, because it didn't look like closed for a second. I was about to say, like, it's a passy, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clothing items. I don't have this one, so I'm actually really happy about that. Here, I'll take it out the package. That makes me happy. It's like a clear one. It's like clear and it's green. It doesn't say nothing on it, but it's really cute. So, enjoy the surprise. Oh, so that was a surprise. That's so sweet of them. Oh, this is Minnie Mouse. Holy crap. Really quick gets into it. Oh, it's a Minnie Mouse onesie. This isn't a large. Okay, good. This is a Minnie Mouse onesie. I'll have to shrink it a little because that one seems a little big. But I freaking love that. That makes me so freaking happy. I forgot where I put my scissors already. What is this? Oh, this is a dress. This is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. Look at that. OMG. Oh my. And it has pockets. Oh my gosh. I love pockets. Oh, they're making me feel so, so happy. The sale price is $10 on this one. Where did my scissors go? Okay, they were under the onesie. Oh, no freaking way. Oh my gosh. Does it have a... Nope. But it's just so cute, though. Like, look at this. I wear that just a bit because it's a little short, but it's like a bed item to me. Oh, I got the scissors. Knock it off before you're going to wreck yourself. Check yourself before you're going to wreck yourself. Oh, retro. Oh my god, they're retro shorts. OMG. I love that. Okay. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. Are these pajama pants? These are pajama pants. Oh my god, they got carousels all over them. I'll wear them anywhere with my black onesies. Okay? Like, this stuff is so cute. Oh, my little shirt. Oh my god. I would wear this with my skirt. Totally would wear this with my skirt. Are these more pants? I think so. But they got Minnie Mouse on them, so I would wear it with my... Oh, my yes. Oh, my yes. OMG. It's got a teether thing. And look, it's Minnie Mouse. It's extra surprise because I got all of this. I got one onesie, 2 dresses, a pair of shorts, a pair of pants, and the shirt. And this. All for like $79. $74, one of the freaking two. I love them. Big shout out to them because the accessory bag did not do it justice. But, like, this, it warmed my heart back up. I like this. This makes me love them even more. I just got a blanket from them the other day, one of these, and I've literally taken it everywhere I go with me. It has Sophia the First, it has Vampirina, it has the Lion Guard, it has I almost called him McDonald. It has Mickey Mouse, it has PJ Masks on it. It has like a lot. Oh, Dog Pals. It's so freaking cute. Like that, and the changing pad did it justice the other day. But yeah, like I really liked that. This just made me love them again. Let's see and check what toys I have in here because I feel like it's gonna be good. Hold on. Happy I lost the scissors again. Is this mine or is this for the wife? It's my Lego! I love Legos when I'm in little space. I could be like 2 and sit there with Daddy doing a Lego. Because I love Legos that much. I think this is something of my little people's. That way. Put it this way. Oh no, but it's a kid toy. Creator's set. Oh, so look, you can create like cupcakes and stuff, and like, yeah, it's really cool. And it has candles for the cupcakes, and you get to mix the dough with that, and you got eggs, and it comes with a little whipped topping thingy, so you can make your toppings. And it's really cool, and it's got like a lid for it and everything. So it's really cool. I love everything I've gotten today. This has made my heart so unbelievably happy. Like, I love it. Thank you to Little King Bouquet, Vinted, because I got some of the stuff on Vinted, Amazon, Walmart, all that. Yeah, so, woohoo!